Ever wondered when you started following someone on Instagram? In just a minute, we'll show you how to check this easily. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap on following to see the list of users you follow. Scroll through your following list. Find the user whose following date you want to check. Tap on their profile. Once on their profile, tap on the three dots at the top right corner to open more options. Select About This Account from the menu that appears. This will reveal the details you're looking for. And there you have it. You can see when you started following them. Easy, right? Start exploring. Remember, this feature helps you manage your connections better. Happy Instagramming! Stay connected and never miss an update from your friends or favorite accounts. If you found this tip helpful, like and share this video with your friends. Join our channel for more social media tips and tricks daily. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more insights. Until then, keep sharing and connecting on Instagram.